Use a diagnostic tool to find the fault caused by the loss of cooling. The diagnostic tool is reading for errors and has detected two errors. Try clearing the error. The problem persists because the voltage is still too high, around 30 or above. The relay is still functioning normally, so we'll check the cold pressure sensor. Replace the cold pressure sensor with a new one. Add more refrigerant to the air conditioner. The technician cleared the error and the problem was correctly diagnosed. The error was cleared successfully and the pressure has returned to normal. In conclusion, the air conditioning system did not reach its maximum cooling capacity due to a faulty refrigerant pressure sensor.